Some jokes are like a government website, untested, rarely works. But some jokes are like children. They should have been aborted. And if not, they become like Trump, Putin. And we have our own. His initials are NM. Again, my Achhe Din has not come yet, so please don't ruin it. I'm talking about my Man Ki Baat. I'm talking about the NM who wants you to work 70 hours per week. So that's how things go in when children who are supposed to be, they grow up to be man-child, right? Like they want everything, but others shouldn't have it, right? It's a bit like Autowalas of Bangalore. Wherever they go, that's where the action is. They're just Rajnikant. Three-wheel buses with no route number. There's another man-child, famous one, Elon Musk. He has rockets and jets and he kidnaps women to make babies for him. He's just Ravana 2.x. But I'm a fan of both of these guys because, of course, they were powerful and all that. So that's why. That's why. No, he's also kind of smart, right? I would like that. Yeah. Kind of smart. Not really. If you were really smart, right, you wouldn't do these kinds of salute and all. Especially with so much to lose. If you have that much brains, you won't get into politics and ruin your own company's stock. Now you, all right, we're having a good conversation. then others can kick. So these, my Hindi is terrible, but I will do a little bit of Hindi later. So these autowalas, right? They charge me double, triple because of this paneer burger accent. I caught this accent from the US. I used to live there. My father sent me off, go study, and then we can maybe find a bride for you. Right? I found a Gori girlfriend. I was a proud NRI. Sare jahan se acha. Ye Goristan hamara. Got you there. You're a poet. I'm not, but still, here and there, I have a few words. So yeah, they kicked me out because of my singing, and I came back empty-handed. And in India, I've signed up for dating apps. I'm all the dating apps, lifetime membership. Paisa vasool hona hai, bhai. Like monthly fees are so high, but the lifetime or annual is good value, right? Like cheap and basic. So I'm swiping right on everybody. And even grannies, trannies, cats, sunsets. Sunsets are rejecting me. I don't know why. What's wrong with the sunset? And sunsets are tricky, right? Like it's either cloudy or like polluted or buildings and all. And these women are also like that. Now you can never find them. They don't have any pictures, but they're still rejecting me. So that's the dating app story. And in the dating apps, there's something that happens, right? Like on the mic, my voice sounds like Amitabh, right? Voice. Accent alag hai bhai. Amitabh is, yeah. So when they meet me in real life, they're like, wow, you're only this height. I thought you'll be this tall and all that. Or my voice is like Amitabh, but I'm Amitabh ka bacha. I cannot pull off that height. And I don't know how people estimate height from the voice. I love it how they have a simple system, right? Talak, talak, talak. Right? Ho gaya kaam. Right? We have this messy stuff, right? So you know what the Feras are, right? The Feras are Agni Sakshi. Marriage by Agni Sakshi. I want to give it a reverse Uno card. Do it in the anti-clockwise. do it anti-clockwise, throw the marriage certificate in, and you get divorced by Agni Sakshi. And DDLJ becomes Mummy Returns. Oh, okay. So these are just business cards from jobs that I quit. I finally found a use for it. Thank you. So there's another job I quit, right? Marriage. The sex felt like work. Yeah, I filed for divorce and I filed for child support from my father. So, anyways, he's a man-child himself, and the thing with marriages, right? There are men. We don't like the laws, right? There's so many laws about marriage. If you want to know, I'll tell you quite a few that you shouldn't like if you don't know about it. But yeah, men don't like the laws. Women don't like the in-laws. They'll tell you a lot about that, right? Especially conservative families have a lot of rules from the in-laws, right? You're living for the in-laws, whether you're living for your husband or not, or kids, right? The in-laws will control your life. So that's the problem. Now, in divorce court, right, there's a dress code. And I didn't know what to do because my wedding picture doesn't match. They said, show your wedding picture as proof. And I said, I won't look anything like that unless I come in a dhoti and shirtless. And the thing with all of this is, right, of course, I have a mental health problem, right? And after consulting a therapist, right, like the more you do mental health work, everybody else seems crazy. And finally, my therapist said, you have a mental illness. It's called maleness. And it's transmitted by the Y chromosome. It's a sexually transmitted disease. I got it from my father. And the beauty of this chromosome is that it makes us all hoes, right? We are men. I know every one of you, right? We're all hoes. We don't judge each other, right? We are hoe man. Women, you have a different standard, right? You judge the heck out of yourself, right? You don't even judge us for being hoes. It's cool to be a hoe as a man, right? Even women like, oh, as long as he has money, he can be a hoe. So not being a hoe is not a criteria for a man. So I'm going to put a being hoe man t-shirt and compete with your enemy, Salman Khan. Her enemy. If she likes SRK, Salman is the enemy. And that's my set, guys. Thank you so much.